All right, guys, so I got a new product from LASFIT, their twin air compressor, which is right over here. And one of the cool things about this is with their new air compressor, you're actually able to set your PSI to whatever you need it at, or KPI, whatever country you live in. You can set it and go. I already have everything hooked up to all 4 tires. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit this thing and it's gonna continue going. So let's go ahead and set it to 35. Hit the power button. And now I'll bring you along. So here's what I got. So it's gonna turn on and off intermediately. So I got all 4 tires hooked up. LASFIT does have these lines for your truck. I already had it set, so LASFIT just sent me out the air compressor. And this is my first time using it, and downtime lost. He's got one, he's just aired up super fast. Oh, here it is right here. He's doing 2 tires at a time. The same air compressor. What's up, man?
My wife's gonna be pissed.
Yeah, so if you guys can't tell, this isn't his normal truck. If you guys watch his channel, which definitely should. Downtime lost. Check him out on Instagram and YouTube. So we're just kind of waiting on it, and it shouldn't take too long. I have 33s. He's on 35s. It took him like less than a minute to air up those 2 tires. He's doing the other side. He does 2 at a time. I do 2 or 4. So we're ready at 32 point. I have it set for 35, so we're almost done. And this video hasn't even been that long. So it kind of tells you the quality of LASFIT's twin piston air compressor. So if you guys want to get on and off the trail real fast, this is the way to do it. Got 32. This is 34 in mine. So all you gotta do is it comes with, sorry about the noise, guys. It comes with these little alligator clamps. Go straight to your battery. Super easy setup. Comes with the case. I chose to put mine in the case I built on the side of my truck, and it does come with, if you guys are wondering, it does come with a very long single hose. So you, and then it comes with a pair of gloves. So definitely worth it. I think it's actually done. Oh, almost. See, he's done already. That's how fast it is, and he has 35s. Oh, and it's done. After this little air up, we're done. That's super awesome. Well, guys, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and go to LASFIT to get your air compressor.